Hello and welcome to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Today we are sharing some of the most adorable and trendy crochet baby cardigan designs and patterns perfect for all seasons and all made with love. Let's begin with the classic button down cardigans. These are usually made with simple stitches like double crochet or half double crochet. The designs are basic but elegant with front buttons, soft collars, and sometimes tiny pockets. You will see pastel shades like baby pink, sky blue, lemon yellow, ideal for newborns, perfect for beginners, and always in trend. Next, we have the hooded baby cardigans designs. These are super cute and cozy, great for colder weather. The hood is often made with simple increases and some patterns include little ears on top like bunny or bear styles. You can also add wooden buttons or pom-poms for an extra cute finish. Colors like gray, beige or soft green work beautiful here. Now let's look at some lacy and open work cardigan patterns like airy, light airy and perfect for spring and summer. The designs use shell stitches, which stitches are fan to create delicate textures. You will find patterns with short sleeves, puff sleeves, or no sleeves at all. Add ribbon or tie up in the front instead of buttons for soft, graceful touch. Another popular style is the granny square baby cardigan. This one is colorful, creative, and full of personality. The pattern is made by joining small squares, each with different colors or motifs. You can make it playful with bright shades or keep it soft with pastel tones. This design is great for using leftover yarn and give a handmade vintage look. So these were of the some of the most loved and stylish crochet baby cardigan patterns. Each one is special handmade and perfect for gifting or person you. Let us know in the comments which design do you like the most. If you want step by step tutorial, just tell us. We would love to make them for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. See you in the next video and happy fishing.